Hey, thanks for watching the grill, Jake.
Hey, no problem, neighbor. You know what doesn't need watching? That 94-inch farmhouse table you're sitting at right there. With the highest quality HDPE furniture on the market, there's really nothing to maintain. Comfortable, durable, unmatched quality, stainless steel hardware, made to stay outside year-round. All By the Arts furniture comes with a 35-year warranty, maintenance-free, 10 UV stabilized colors, over 500 different products to choose from, all family-owned, factory direct, right to you, and it's all made right here in the U.S. We're talking sustainably made, premium outdoor furniture that's gonna last a lifetime. I know, right?
With By the Yard, life is better outdoors.
Man, you can't beat charcoal for that great smoky flavor.